everyone, so welcome back to our channel, and for today's video we are here at the Formula 1 racetrack in Bologna, specifically Imola. So the province is Bologna, if I'm not wrong, but this racetrack is located in Imola. So yeah, that's it. I think I'm correct.
Mecca.
So here guys, if some of our viewers love to watch Formula 1, so every year there is a Grand Prix in this racetrack, and you probably have seen this racetrack many times on TV, on YouTube, everywhere. It's because this place is the Mecca of motorsports. And today we are here because they open today and tomorrow. They open the racetrack for the public. So for today, it's open for people who wanted to walk, and tomorrow for those who are going to do their biking.
Only bike, only walk.
Tomorrow will be only for bikers. And here with me is my husband, who is also a fan of Formula 1, and me too. Right now, when I arrived in Italy, I became a fan of Formula 1, and we are so happy we come here, we visit this place. And are you happy
Absolutely, yes.
to visit? Are you happy that you're
Yep.
walking on the racetrack of Formula 1?
Yes, absolutely. I'm so proud to walk on a track where the most important champions of the world raced here. They pass by here. I'm walking the same place where Senna, Schumacher, Verstappen.
The
Right.
current Formula 1 world champion is Max Verstappen. So here in this area, exactly in this area,
This point,
unfortunately, a very famous and a world champion named
one of the most, for me, the most important world champion, the best of ever.
in Formula 1
Yes.
crashed in this point and died right away.
Exactly.
And he is from
Brazil.
Brazil.
Ayrton Senna. You're talking about Ayrton Senna.
and his name is Ayrton Senna. In the year 1994.
1994. Unfortunately, this is one of the. It becomes a famous point of the track. Unfortunately, because he died. Anyway.
How's the walking?
Cool.
Cool. How's the sun?
Cool.
Do you like the sun? The heat of the sun? Me? I don't like so much. Guys, it's really nice to walk inside the racetrack, but unfortunately today is a very hot day because We are still in August and it's still full summer here in Italy. So it's very hot. So now I'm having a hard time walking, but my husband is enjoying the heat of the sun. So guys, we are in the descending part of the racetrack. And actually this racetrack, it's not a plain track. Actually, there is an area where it's flat and there is an ascending area, and this area is descending. So I can imagine that as a Formula 1 driver, it's not really easy to drive, like having a speed of 300 kilometers or 400 kilometers per hour, and in this kind of track it's really crazy. Like, oh, they're very amazing. They're really good drivers. So guys, here right now we are in the point of the racetrack where it is called Acqua Minerale, and this is the most beautiful and difficult and exciting part of the racetrack, as you can see on the video. And here on that side there, that's where the audience, the people will sit down and enjoy the race. So guys, here in this part of the racetrack is the highest point and another S-curve of the racetrack, which is also a very different curve. And here on this side you can see that painting there. That is actually an Italian MotoGP champion, and unfortunately he died at a very young age due to COVID last 2 years ago. So they paid honor putting up a painting on this area. So guys, as you can see there, that curve, that bump right there, it was a traitor curve for Charles Leclerc, the current Ferrari Formula 1 driver, because last year's race of Formula 1 here, he was in the second position and he was trying to race the number one pilot, the leader, and he bumped into that curve, and
because of that,
yes, and because of that he lost the position.
He went out from the track, so he lost the possibility to win the race.
Exactly. So guys, we are approaching on the other curve that is called Rivazza. So this curve is
the last U curve.
Yes, it's the last curve, actually the final curve of the racetrack, and very close to the finish line. And this is the audience area of the Curve Rivazza, and it's very close, so it's also a nice place, a nice area to watch when there is a race here. So guys, this arrow here that you can see, the red and the white, this is where the Formula 1 cars will go to their garage. So like if you watch Formula 1, technicians will say box, box, box. So the Formula 1 drivers, they're gonna get inside there with their cars, of course, and like they're gonna change the tires. So guys, we just finished our tour here at Imola Formula 1 racetrack, and I could say it's one of an amazing experience. And we are actually facing the racetrack right now at the, how do you call that curve?
Acqua minerale.
Acqua Minerale curve. And also this park where we are sitting right now is called Parco delle Acqua Minerali. And I was asking him before, why is this park called Acqua?
Because in the past there was a source of natural water. At the top here, the hill behind us, there was a source. Now it's closed, of course, but this is the reason why it's called Parco delle Acque Minerali.
Ah, okay. So it means that since this area is facing to the racetrack, it means that when there is a race here, this is full of people.
Absolutely, yes, because this is one of the best view of the circuit.
So, what can you say about our experience?
For me, it's not my first time, so I can say that every time is amazing. Even if you have already seen, but coming here every time, it's totally amazing. Stunning for me. Full of emotions, memories.
So it really feels very different when you are in a place that you knew that the place there were like lots of famous people
in the motorsport
came here, race here. It really feels very different, and
you really feel that you're like in the Mecca, in the church of the motorsport.
Yeah.
You really feel that it's a holy place
for people who are fond of motorsports, racing cars, fast cars, all
bikes, motorbikes.
Yes, like those sporty people. They really, for sure, they really love this place. And me as well, I could say that before I came to Italy, I am not really that very a fan of like Formula One, motorsports in general. But now that I am more exposed to this kind of sports, I'm starting to love it. I'm starting to be more updated, and it feels really nice to come here. And hope you can come to this place also.
We really suggest you to come here.
Yes, especially I think it's nice to come here during summer.
Also in the spring, whatever you prefer.
When you like to walk or do biking, I think summer is the best season for you guys. And I don't know with spring.
Spring is better, is good. It's very good. May, let's say May is the best. May, June.
May, June. I see. Okay, so thank you for watching us, and hope you enjoy our vlog for today, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye everyone!